This is the best. My husband is a genius.
Oh, man.
You like that?
I do.
My husband come in here and got him a piece.
Do I try both?
No, you can only try one. You can only try the strawberry one.
That is delicious. Can I have this?
Yeah, you can have that.
All right.
Okay, guys, I've got my big mixer out today because we are making one of my favorite cakes, and you can't stop eating it. It is called crack cake, but I am changing it a little bit, and you can do that with this cake. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to raise up my mixer. Okay, we're going to, let's start. We're going to change it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to crack up 4 eggs. And I'm putting them in a separate bowl. Because honestly, the reason I'm putting them in a separate bowl is I forgot that quick that I'm putting them in a mixer. Oh well. We're going to just put these eggs right in here. Okay, and we're going to start whipping them up. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to pour in 3/4 cup of cooking oil, 3/4 cup of water, a teaspoon of vanilla, maybe 2. And I'm putting in a teaspoon of cinnamon, and this is entirely up to you. I don't need that right now. I love cinnamon and chocolate. Love it. Okay, now we need a teaspoon of instant coffee, and I'm just using Nescafe Colombian. Any kind will do. Whatever you have will do. Okay. We're going to give this a quick little spin. Okay, now we're going to add in a box of 3.4 ounces of chocolate pudding mix. Now, I had this cake at a Pampered Chef party years ago, okay? Ooh, is it good? I could not believe it. Okay, now we need 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. We're just going to pop it right in. Now we need 1/4 cup of milk. We're just going to put in 1/4 cup of milk. And I'm using low fat. Use whatever you have. Okay. Now we've let that beat a little bit and get good incorporated. Now we're going to put in 1 box of Devil's Food cake mix. You can use whatever kind of chocolate cake mix you have, and I had Devil's Food, so that's what we're doing. We're just going to start putting it in a little bit at a time. That was quick. Okay, now we're just going to scrape our bowl real good. Just make sure we got it good and incorporated. Okay guys, I have just a Bundt pan, and I think it's big enough. We're just going to pour in our cake batter. We want to make sure we get all that good batter. Tap it. Okay, we're going to bake this for 1 hour and 10 minutes at 325 degrees. And we're going to make a little glaze for the top of that cake. It is scrumptious. Okay guys, my husband is in here in the kitchen. I told him I was making a chocolate crack cake, and he's like, why don't you make me my favorite? Because his favorite is strawberry. And I thought, well, I've never made a strawberry crack cake, but you know what? We're going to give it a shot. Let's do it. He's sitting over there. Okay, so I went and I had some strawberry, he's eating lunch. So I do have some strawberry cake mix. I don't have any strawberry pudding, but I got vanilla, so we're going to use that. I don't see why we can't. Okay, we're just going to make this a quickie. We're just going to put this in the bowl. Okay, I need a package of vanilla pudding. We're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla, maybe 2. 3/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. We need 4 eggs. Maybe I should crack them in a different bowl. Pour them right in. Okay guys, this is going to be great. I really think it's going to be a great cake. Wow, it smells so good. He goes, why don't you ever make me a strawberry? Not like I've made how many strawberries already, but I've never made the strawberry crack cake. I was telling him about it. He said, well, why can't you make me a strawberry one? All right, I have a few strawberries, and this was not planned, so I'm gonna get me out about 6 nice strawberries. I'm gonna wash them. Okay, I think we should fold in some strawberries in here. We're gonna just kind of dice them up into little pieces. These are beautiful. My husband does love strawberries. We're just going to kind of dice these up a little bit. We don't want the juices to come out. We just want to kind of dice them up, kind of little bite-sized pieces. Just throw them right in. I'd say about 1/4 cup of fresh strawberries diced up. And we're just going to fold it in. Okay, I'm going to spray this Bundt cake pan. Okay, we're going to tap it. Tapped our cake. We're going to put it in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes, just like we did the other one. But I'm going to check on them to make sure, because I don't know, it just seems like that's an awful long time for one of these cakes, but we shall see. Okay guys, look at that. That is a beautiful little cake. That is a beautiful Bundt cake. That's a beautiful chocolate crack cake. Wow, that's gorgeous. We're gonna make a glaze, so we need 1 stick of butter. Let's put it right here in our microwavable what are these called? Measuring cup. I had to think a minute. Okay, now we're going to pour in 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. Just gonna put it right in. I'm gonna make our little glaze. We're gonna stick this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Okay, we turned it over. I think that's a beautiful cake. Look, and it did overflow a little bit because I should have put it in a bigger one. So, you know, lessons learned, lessons learned. Okay, we're gonna start pouring it over. Since I've turned it over, I'm just gonna start pouring this glaze right on top. We want to kind of drench it a little bit. This is a gorgeous cake. We're gonna let it sit and we're gonna let it marry a few minutes. We're gonna go ahead and get our items ready to make our second glaze for our strawberry crack cake. So now we need 1 cup of sugar. I've got this cake basically memorized by heart because it's one of my favorites. But I've never made the chocolate or the strawberry. So I've had a vanilla, a chocolate, and a strawberry. A Neapolitan. I've had all 3. Okay, we need a 1/2 cup of water. Okay, now we're gonna pour our water right in. Now we're gonna put in our stick of butter. Wow. I want to cut this cake so bad. Okay guys, it only took this cake about 1 hour, 55 minutes to bake. I'm gonna get this cake onto our cake plate. Well, that was easy. Oh, look at all that good stuff. I probably could have just used that as the glaze. Cake number 1. Okay, I think our other cake is ready now. Look at that beautiful strawberry cake. Oh my gosh, let's turn it out. Wow, look at all those berries. That's beautiful. We're gonna let that cool for a few minutes. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave. I'm gonna say 3 minutes. The only way I know to turn it over. Okay, we have our glaze. I'm just going to stir this around. Okay, we're going to start pouring it right on. It's always good to start when it's hot. Drench it. That's so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I need to get it for a knife. Do y'all hear my little dog? She thinks this cake is for her. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm gonna give my husband a piece of strawberry cake. Oh my gosh. Heaven, heaven, heaven. Oh, I know. I need to try the strawberry. Ooh, I even got a strawberry in there. Y'all. This is taking a cake box mix and taking it to a whole nother level. A whole nother level. I gotta finish eating it. You gotta make these cakes. They are so good. With all these different holidays coming up, make these cakes. You will love them. They freeze beautifully. I mean, freeze beautifully. You guys will love them. There's a reason they are my favorite. Use your favorite cake mix and pudding mix and make you a crack cake. You're going to love it. You guys go. You are the best audience on YouTube. You go have a wonderful, wonderful day. This is the best. My husband is a genius.
Oh, man.
You like that?
I do.
My husband come in here and got
Do I
him
try
a piece.
both?
No, you can only try one. You can only try the strawberry one.
That is delicious. Can I have this?
Yeah, you can have that.
All right.